Okay, I've gone ahead and included our category form, but it lacks the bootstrap. So remember what we need to do. We need to add extends, extends, okay, layouts, dot up, and then we need to include the section that we need to extend. That section, we want to access our bootstrap at section content, and then we need to end that at end section. At end section. That should be able to work on our bootstrap in this case. Let's see. Great. So we do have it. Now we also want to, let me see. Should I put this in a div row? It's okay for the moment. We also want to include our menu again, which will be after the section, but we want to have at include. Okay. We are including component dot menu. Let's see. Is it include component dot menu? So component. Okay, so let me go back and check. Is it components? Why do I keep forgetting the S? Components dot menu. Great. So here are our components. Now, remember we already sent our category name. So which means here our value should be category. Not category name as such, category. Okay, let's see if it will display our category name. Category. Is it what we sent over? I need to check again from the categories controller. We sent category. So it should be dollar category, not just category. Dollar category. Dollar category. That should be giving us our category name, which is aquamarine. Okay, so again, we want to add our cross-site reference. One, we want to take this to the categories controller and update this. And then it gives us another new name. I also want to display this name before this. So category name, I'm going to change it to current category name. Current category name, which will take in this blade value, so that when you change the name, you can see what is active. Current category name. Great. I think you can also bold it if you want. Okay. So we're going to go here into our action, and then we add our URL. Okay. URL. Which URL? This time around is update category. Update category. And then which category are we updating? The usual suspect. We need to add the category and category ID. Now, look at this. This is how important now getting the category name is. Okay, so I'll save this and then go back to the categories controller. Instead of getting the category name, I still get the category through the ID. Okay, it is warning us here that it's not getting something. That's okay. So I'm going to go back to the edit category. Okay, because I need to update that particular ID. So, okay. I've not completed this. So instead of category, just category here, I'm going to add category name, and then I'll copy this, and here it becomes category ID, and then I save. Okay, expecting, what haven't I added? What haven't I added? I'm missing a bracket here, the closing bracket. Save. That should work. All right, so category, I'm missing category name. Aquamarine. Okay. This here is supposed to get category name as it is displaying here. Category name. Category name. I'm going to add the cross-site reference at CSRF. Let's see. CSRF. Okay. And also, oh, come on. And also, I'm going to make, because I'm updating, I'm going to make the method put. So method of update is going to be put, the put method. So, and this put should be in quotes. Okay. Just like that. That's the reason for the error. And then when I choose to update, it should go to the route and get the update method to the web route, from the web route to the categories controller, and then update and return back. I usually want to return back because it should update and go back to the edit page, but I want to return back to this page. I'm going to show you both ways. So I'm going to go to the web, and in the web, we're going to do a route to update. Okay. So I'll copy that, paste. So first of all, we want to put, okay, PUT, and we want to put in update category with the payload of the ID. And then again, we're going to access update category again, copy and update category. Okay, so we're going to go to the categories controller, and this time around we're choosing to update category name, maybe. Okay, which will be a public function. Public function, update category. Category, and it will take in the request, then the request variable, and then plus the ID that we're interested in, the ID. Great. Right. So when it accesses, what does it need to do? First, we can say new name. New name is equal to, okay, request input category name. The category name, I'm picking it from the form. Okay. If I go to our edit category, we have category name here from the name. Okay. So from the input name, okay? So I'm going to do a die dump, and I choose to have new name, and I see if really the new name is getting to die dump dd, and I see if really the new name is getting to our controller. So our new name, I'm going to add the XXX here and choose to update category, and I see, yes, you can see XXS is there. So I'm going to go straight and update the category. Okay. So I'll say update category as a variable. These variables are important. Update category if you want to reaccess them. Sorry. Update category. Okay. Will equal to one categories model. Find that particular ID that was put in by as an input. Find that ID. Okay. That you were updating, which was through the category ID. Okay. So the ID we're trying to access was sent to us through the form on the category ID. And then that you want to update. What do you want to update? You want to update the category name. Okay, you want to update the category name to the new name that was given. To the new name. New name, the new name variable. I'll just get the new name variable here. Paste it here. Okay, so after updating, what do you need? Did I do away with the die dump? After updating, what do you need? You can choose to return redirect to this particular view, which view is return redirect to the other particular route or view, which route is it categories? Let me see, what's the route? Admin categories. Return redirect to admin categories. And then you terminate. So I'm just going to refresh all. I will come here. XXX ZZZ update category. And then it's coming back to admin categories, and you can see it has added the XXX. I can choose to edit, then remove this and put YY, TTTT, update categories, and it will go and then go back to the categories. However, for one, I want you to re-update just in case you've forgotten, okay? So instead of return redirect, I can choose to return back. Return back. So you can return back with a message that says maybe updated, okay, which I'll look at later. Okay, so if I go to edit, okay, and put YYY, and then I choose to update category, it will turn back here. That's the purpose for this name, the YYY. So I can verify if I've made a mistake rather than doing that like that. So I'm going to choose to update, then it returns, and easily I go back to categories and I'll have access to all my categories. And then again, if I update, you'll see it in the images in home. So it's marine. I can put marine ZZZZ, then update. Okay. Great. So if I go back to the home route, home, and then go to upload images, it is going to have aquamarine ZZZZ. Great. I'll go back to categories. I can leave that like that because I can edit it anytime. All right. So that is it for now. Now we're going to be handling, I think we're done with this. The delete is simple. I just don't want to delete the column, but the delete is simple. You simply take again and remove, delete. Okay. So let's look at, I'll look at delete in another video. Let me look at delete in the next video, and then we'll see what to do.